Hi, it's Matt, and welcome to episode 2 of my new gallery series. This basically means I'm showing the design of models I've built in the past, but I don't have any video of taking them apart like I usually do. Still, I hope you enjoy this double feature. This creation started off as a cruiser and follows typical outrageous styling cues from cars of 1958 and 1959. Dagmar bumpers up front, quad headlamps, chrome trim, and mile-high fins. In the first iteration of the design, I actually had front wheels that turn with the steering wheel, but I wasn't happy with how cluttered it was looking under the hood. So I gave up on the active steering and decided to put in a dual-quad big block engine between the fenders instead. I added a radiator and a power brake booster for a little extra detail. At the back end, I added jet turbine-inspired rear brake light housings, and I used wing pieces for the tail fins. The trunk pops open to reveal a space big enough to sneak 7 friends into the drive-in movies.
Seven minutes to go to showtime.
This is a dill pickle, a mighty pretty pickle, especially when he joins you at the show. We have lots of pretty pickles waiting for you at the refreshment center. They're plump, tender, mouth-watering.
Tasty. Speaking of good taste, I echoed the stylish two-tone body color theme and incorporated it into the interior. Check out the nifty floor shifter. In the waning daylight, you can see how the front bucket seats can recline. And here's the interior again, this time after the sun's gone down.
You suppose there's time?
Go, man, go! It ain't very far. Shake it on down to this cool snack bar.
Here you are. Get the kind you prefer and enjoy them thoroughly. All the most popular brands.
Our hamburgers are made of selected, inspected meat, seasoned to perfection, cooked just the way you like them.
Well, the movie's over, so it's time to hang up the speaker and blow this popsicle stand, Daddy-O. So here we are, cruising low and slow. You know, I dig the looks of this subtle custom. Oh man, the sky's looking weird. This just in. We have unconfirmed reports of a radioactive meteor on collision course with Johnson's farm. Huh? Hey, old man Johnson's farm is right up the road. What? The car's acting up. Let's pop the hood. Hey, what's happening to my car?
It's alive! It's alive!
As you can see, after the radioactive meteorite landed, things are a little different now. We've gone from cruiser to bruiser. On top of the dual 4-barrels, we now have a hood scoop, and we have zoomies poking out from the wheel wells. It was actually my son's idea to show the flame shooting out of the pipes. Here's a look at the hood scoop sticking up through the hood, and you can see there's now a full roll cage installed. Here's the engine with the hood removed. The trunk lid has been pulled off, and you can see a racing fuel cell back there now. You can see a little bit of the 4-wheel drive suspension under there. Here's a look at the back end and its jacked up stance. Here's a view of this radioactive beast from above. And here's the view from below. I really hope you enjoyed our trip from mild to wild as much as I did. If you like what you see, please like and subscribe and comment below. Thanks a lot, y'all. Bye.
Frosty, man, Frosty.